Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So, I will make a video about me opposing the genocide on the Palestine issue. Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas urged United States President Joe Biden to intervene to stop Israel attack on Gaza. Abbas called on Biden to use his international position and significant influence on Israel to stop the attack. President Biden, I call on you with all your official and humanity to stop this humanitarian disaster. This is genocidal attack on our innocent people, Abbas said in a speech broadcast by Palestine TV as reported by Al Jazeera. History will not absolve anyone of this crime. I ask you to provide assistance to our besides people in Gaza. This war must stop immediately. How can genocide be self-defense? In reality, genocide is a war crime that requires punishment. He continued, it is now the Biden opposes a full ceasefire. Instead, he supports a humanitarian pause to allow aid deliveries and guarantee the release of Hamas prisoners in Gaza. Previously, it was reported Joe Biden said that the Palestinian government should ultimately rule the Gaza Strip and West Bank after the Israel-Hamas war. Biden said Gaza and the West Bank must be reunited. Toward which Gaza and the West Bank must be reunited under one governing structure, ultimately under a revitalized Palestinian Authority, as we all work toward a two-state solution. The United States is still working to reach an agreement between Israel and Hamas after reportedly a tentative agreement to free women and children held hostage in Gaza in exchange for a pause in fighting. 100 around students gathered outside King's College, Cambridge, where they set up tents and demanded the college commit to divesting from companies involved in Israel war on the Gaza Strip. They joined students at more than 100 universities around the world who have staged similar protest movements. They demanded the University of Cambridge reveal all its ties to companies and institutions involved in the ongoing ethnic cleansing in Palestine. They want to the university to end all ties, support Palestinian students and academics, and commit to protecting academic freedom. Meanwhile, an open letter written by a group of academics and released on Tuesday expressed solidarity with University of Cambridge students as they started a campaign to protest the university's ties with Israel. The letter said the protesting students join a fascinating tradition of emancipatory struggle, which includes previous student protests against South African apartheid and the Vietnam War. The academics also expressed support for students' right to free expressions and protect and praised their crowd in bringing urgent debate beyond the classroom environment to inference in a moment of disaster where the principles of human rights and democracy are being eroded. Comes after British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak summoned the vice chancellors of 17 universities to anti-Semitism roundtable in Downing Street and urged them to take personality responsibility in a protest Jewish student. A student group called Cambridge Jews for Palestine forms a contingent and the ongoing camp at the University of Cambridge. University of Cambridge sent a letter to its students and staff confirming that the institution is fully committed to academic freedom and freedom of speech in accordance with the law and recognizes the right to protest. And friends, this is information closes our meeting this time. I, Nazira Junita Putri, take my leave and say thank you for your togetherness. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and see you.